Hi, my name is Dr. Paraon DeQuiroz. I am the owner of Central Coast Dental Implant Centers. I have 3 locations here along the central coast of California. As the name implies, I practice 100% implant dentistry. I have been using CBCT technology ever since it came out, maybe 25 years ago. However, at that time, the images were just not, well, we can call them subpar. It was not very good. With the newer Ray scanners, the quality is top-notch. It's 4K quality, very sharp, clear images. You can clearly differentiate the different anatomical landmarks, anatomical features of your patients. The CBCT technology has come leaps and bounds from when I first started practicing implant dentistry over 30 years ago. Before then, we were only using periapical images and panoramic images, which both are only 2-dimensional images. As you guys know, CBCT technology provides us 3-dimensional images, which allows us to measure precisely to the millimeter the positions of the nerves, maxillary sinuses, mental foramen, and all the other vital structures that we need to know when we do surgical procedures. Yes, I would definitely recommend Ray products to any colleague, primarily for their competitive price, ease of use, and most of all, customer support. They are always there with you, hand in hand.